Welcome to Essay Shark channel.
Hey! Listen carefully. Next, I will tell you the secret of how a student can gain a superpower in critical thinking. The research has shown that critical thinking and academic performance are significantly associated with one another. When talking about academic writing, students need critical thinking skills to assess the quality of evidence. Let's move beyond exercises and focus on mastering crucial skills. First, let's view our thinking process activities. The first three types of thinking, remembering, applying, and understanding, are what have come to be known as lower-order thinking, and the latter three, analyzing, evaluating, and creating, as higher-order thinking. Basic comprehension is something like when we read a cake recipe or learn the meaning of a specific term like warehouse. Critical thinking lies in between basic comprehension and creative thinking, allowing us to open a space for deeper learning and deeper engagement with specific student topics. So, how can we develop our critical thinking skills? 1. Create a journal. Get used to writing down your thoughts dedicated to a certain topic or reflection to specific cases. Change it, for example, every week. You can follow this format. Situation. Describe the situation in detail and from various points of view: scientific, logical, and emotional. Your reaction. Describe all of your emotions caused by the situation. Analysis. Think about the situation and try to find out what has happened and why. Evaluation. Try to evaluate the text you have written above. What misconceptions have you mentioned? 2. Set the list of goals for the week. You can list the abilities you want to develop. That means that you should concentrate on these abilities in all everyday activities. For example, devote 1 week to concentrate on what you say and how you say it. At the end of the week, you can sum up your observations. 3. Practice mind mapping. Mind mapping is a great tool that you can use to increase your brain power in perceiving information. Research has shown that mind maps accumulate both left and right brain capacities. Mind mapping can help you summarize information, come up with questions, and increase comprehension. For example, you can create a mind map during one lecture in your college or just listen to any educational video over the internet and keep main ideas in the mind map. How to use a mind map? Take a piece of paper and put the main idea in the center. Draw the branches starting from the top right corner and move in a clockwise direction. Each branch will represent keywords, subheadings of the topic. It is recommended to use different colors to group ideas, so it will be easier to encode your mind map later. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the second part of the video in which we will learn how to use mind mapping.